Daqin Company was established in 2012, Beijing, China, have specialized in custom mobile phone skin system over 9 years. There are currently over 3,000 franchisees all over the world. We have been expanding overseas business since 2006 and 15 years gold supplier on Alibaba. Daqin Custom Mobile Phone Skin System has been selling well in over 135 countries. Certified by SGS and CE. In the same time, it also has acquired over 20 patents for innovation and over 60 registered trademarks. Daqin Company also have specialized in the chain franchise of mobile phone accessories for 16 years. Tianmo Xiaozi is Daqin franchise chain brand. It committed to helping mobile phone repair shops, mobile store and mobile phone accessories stores to upgrade more professional, provide entrepreneurs a project with a higher success rate. Daqin Tianmo Xiaozi provide all-round support for your store, include unified store product supply, unified store decoration design, store marketing plan, uniform. Tianmo Xiaozi will supply mobile tempered glass screen protector, mobile case, and other mobile phone accessories to your store. Also supply mobile screen protector machine, mobile skin machine to you. Tianmo Xiaozi is not only a professional mobile phone screen protector franchise store, but also it is a professional install mobile screen protector store. We have extremely high-quality mobile screen protector, professional machine like intelligent dust-free install machine. Also have professional 7-step screen protector install method to give customer professional extreme experience.